I almost had a deal. My boy Chato tried to get a steel deal. I showed him a couple. He said he'd be back. So if you see that blue Chevy LS Brougham, no, full top Brougham, bolted up, ask him if he got him. Ask him if he got it from the rim plug.
Got a bolt and everything?
You got me. You'll find out right now.
For no bolts, dog.
Shit. Let me.
Those are the wheels. Hey, it's funny.
Huh?
I took a picture of those rims on my phone. I just seen them right now. Sick.
Let me ask him.
They had a bigger lip, no?
That's the front.
No, they had a bigger lip in the back, no?
No, they always came with a 5-inch.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Let me. Now I didn't even think about the bolts. Fuck.
Screws to screw it down.
For the seats, right? Let me ask Alex real quick, cause he took them apart.
Okay.
Damn it. That's just gonna delay the process. We need the bolts, my boy. Boom. Let me axe him. Right quick. No answer. Come on, baby. Brand new. No answer. Shit. All right. Let me call the other Alex. Kenzo, Alejandro. My boy, what had happened, I'm over here by Chris's dropping off the seats for the red Monte Carlo. Any idea where the screws are? Seats, yeah. Okay. I'm unloading. I'll check right now. Thank you, bro. Later. All right. Posible cup holder center console. So with that car reversing over there, my boy. You gotta be up on it. So these are going on the Monte Carlo. 24-inch Forgianos. Newer model, newer design. This is a passenger rear 5-inch lip. You know what I mean? G body. All right, let me check the cup holder, center console, seat screws. I didn't hear anything when I moved it right now. I would love for them to be right there. This is a speaker. All right. There's no fucking cup holder. Got him. Nope. What is this, fucking Kleenex? Kleenex hole? Damn. No screw. Let me check the car.
giving a fuck. Yeah, of course they jealous and pulling whole shit. It's hard to be that lesson that came up so quick. You made it look easy, but it's just an illusion.
Well, while we're here, I'll show you the car. This is the new floor. New floor there. New floor. Now let me check in here. Looking for the seat screws, the seat belt screw. Huh?
You want to push it forward?
I'm just looking for the bolts real fast. There goes the temporary seat. If you know, you know. Damn, I don't see any. I don't see any.
All it takes is one bullet to kill me and you. Damn, dog, you hear that gunshot? Sound like you came from this room.
Nothing.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, that's gonna be a problem. I did call my shop. Maybe oh, there he is. Alejandro, ando dejando los asientos del Monte Carlo. Le llamé a Alex, pero no me supo decir. Buscamos los tornillos para los asientos. ¿No miraste algo? Ya, yo creo que son puros tuercas, tornillos. Tuercas es lo que va atornillado, ¿verdad? Lo que está abierto. Ya, puras tuercas, porque el asiento anda saliendo el tornillo. So van a ser unas 8 o 10 tuercas. Okay. Thank you. Posible. He's gonna check. I mean, I guess we're gonna have to. I mean, we'll figure it out. Rather than not have to figure it out. Well, we'll figure it out, my boy. I guess I'll tell him though. Maybe mock him. I don't know. I have to go to the hardware store or something, because the seat's gotta be, it got to be bolted down. It got to be. Got the steering wheel in the front seat as well, so we gotta have that unloaded. Ready. Gotta keep these giveaway cards in rotation, baby. Okay. So this is unloaded, and the steering wheel's next, or the steering wheel's last. And all we gotta do is find the seat nuts. Car's coming. It's already tight squeeze. I ain't trying to die. Okay. Here's the matching steering wheel. And no seat. Oh. What do we got here? Damn. Thought it would be in here. No, this gotta be fucking. This is the shifter handle. Shifter handle knob button. Damn. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to figure it out. Steering wheel for the Forgiatos. Right there. And I have a feeling we're gonna have a hiccup with the screws, my boy. That's gonna suck. But like I said, Chris will figure it out. I guess if he has to, he could just mock them, and then I'll find some nuts. Well, the shop lost the key. I guess I did. And damn it, I'm gonna take off this key tumbler for the glove box to get a key for the door. I don't have a door key. And the big ass speaker doesn't help. Right in my ear. So this is too big. 5/16 and 1/4 is too small. What is this? 5/16 is too big. 1/4 is too small. So 5/16. 5/16 is too big. 1/4 is too small.
Oh shit. 932s.
That's metric?
No, it's little part.
Yeah. Fucking gallo, he got it. Savage. Okay, I'm gonna leave that screw in there. Fuck around and lose it. Okay. Take this to the locksmith. Oop, give him let me give Gallo his socket back. I don't know what else needs to be done, but screws are off. I thought it would just fall apart. Okay, come on, doggy. I don't see a release. It's got to be something to pop this off. No, I don't think I have to. I might have to take this door off. Trying to do all that, my boy. I thought it was gonna come right off. So much for that. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to the pros then. I try to take off the 2 screws. No bueno. Nope. Okay. Let me get some Illumination. Nada. Gotta be a way to